How to enable guest mode on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through a super useful privacy trick on your Android. So if you ever want to hand your phone to someone without exposing your apps, messages, or photos, there is a feature called guest mode or maintenance mode on your Android device that will lock up all of your personal data and files. So let's just get started. First thing first you need to do is go ahead and open up your Samsung device or any other Android if you have it. Go to settings. From settings menu, you need to go ahead and find the option account and backup. And usually on other phones you will find users option here, and you can easily add a user or a guest user to allow them to use your phone. I don't have it on my Samsung device, so Samsung has a built-in built-in guest mode like feature called maintenance mode. So what happens is if you go over here to device care, you can find the maintenance mode down below, so you can protect your privacy while your phone is being repaired. Tap on it, and then you can just tap on turn on down below. So here are some points on how maintenance mode can keep you safe. Only pre-installed apps are available, and personal data including pictures, messages, and accounts cannot be accessed, and downloaded apps will be hidden. You need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode again. And what happens is, let's say if you give your phone for repairs, instead of worrying about your gallery, chats, or banking apps, it will automatically hide it. So tap on turn on down below and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.